So let's talk about how we can change our viewports and put extra viewport panes in Blender. So if I put my reticle at the lower corner, you can see it turns into a plus. You could really do this at the upper corners too. But I'm going to go ahead and just left click and pull to the left. And you can see it'll just pull out another pane. And then if you want, you could change to other viewports like shader editor or something like that, so you can work on these things together. If you want to get rid of it, you just go back to that corner and you left click and start pulling the other way, and you'll see you'll get like a little open arrow. Okay, you could also go up. So for instance, we can start pulling up like so, and you can do it that way too. Just go in and change this. Look at your shader stuff right there, and of course you can pull those down again too. And if it gets messed up, let me show you what happens. Because sometimes you could actually pull these out and they get a little bit funky, like you accidentally make a pane that you don't want. So I'm going to go ahead and just like make a small one here and say, oh, I didn't want that one. Now, of course, I could try to pull it away, but let's say if you just can't figure it out, what you can do is you can save your file. So I'm just going to say save. Give it a second. It's taking a long time to save. Okay, so then I could just say a new file. It'll reset everything, so like just general file. And if you go to open that other file, say open, it'll go back. It should go back to the last place you were at. If you click this little icon right here, it says load UI. So if I turn that off and say open, it'll open it up. I'll just select this, zoom in. It'll open it up into the UI that you had open, the refreshed UI. So that's how you would reset everything. Okay, so that's how you can go ahead and do some manipulation of your Blender viewport and customize it yourself.